Hello everyone, I am Tarnu Mansoori, first year MMS students of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I am going to present on the topic of types of payment system. Starting it from e-commerce definition. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is nothing but the activity of electronically buying or selling of products on online services or over the internet. The goods and services which we buy over the internet is e-commerce. Slide is what is electronic payment system? Electronic payment system is nothing but the payment of goods and services which the buyer buying through the electronic media. So now as you can see the difference between 2010 to 2020 as the people are more involved in the electronic or a payment system nowadays. So now as you can So here are the types of payment system: e-cash, e-check, credit card, debit card, smart card, bank transfer, Bitcoin, etc. So here it is the diagram of types of payment system. So let us see them in details. The most common way for the customers to pay online. Credit card helps to buy goods and services on credit. The most common way for the customers to So now it's time or explanation for debit card. Debit card is a plastic card with a unique number. Requires bank account. No interest charges related to this card. So now talking about a smart card. It is similar to debit card and credit card in appearances, but it has a small microprocessor chip embedded in it. The next is charge card. The charge card are similar to credit card except they are revolving card line, so they have make payment every month. The next is charge card. Next is e-cash. Electronic cash or digital cash is a method that allows a buyer to pay for goods or services online, transmitting over the internet. Through unique electronic numbers, it allows the customers to transact online easily. Next is e-wallet. E-wallet payment stores the customer's personal data and funds which are then used to purchase from online store. Signing for the e-wallet, it is a fast and easy. Customer required just to submit their information once for purchases. E-wallet also always electronic wallet. It is just like a leather wallet. So it is a time for e-money. Online payment via debit card, credit card and a smart card are the examples of e-money transactions. E-cash transferred directly from the customer's desktops to the merchant's side. The next is e-checks. E-checks is the E-checks is the result of cooperation several bank, government entities, technology companies and e-commerce organization. These can be used for small and large organization. Next is bank transfer. Customers who are enrolled in an internet banking facilities can do a bank transfer to pay for online purchases. A bank transfer assures customers that their funds are safely used. Next is bank. So now it's time or explanation for conclusion. Expand market beyond traditional geographical market. Overall traditionally market system into digital marketing made human life convenient as persons can pay his payment. Increasing the cardholders bill will bring challenges to banks. So now it's thank you so much everyone for watching my video.